Hi everyone, I am Amrit Kaur and this is my third assignment on data manipulation techniques. I will be using pandas queries in this presentation. For the first part of my assignment, I have created my own data set which is leaves taken by students per month in a year. So from January to December, it has the data of 10 students and the number of leaves taken by the students per month. Firstly, I have to import the pandas library into the Jupyter notebook. I have loaded my data into the data frame by using this command, and I have used the name of the data frame to get the data I have created. Next, as we have only 0, 1, 2, 3 as the name rows, I will be indexing them and giving names to them by using this index command. And I will check if the data has been updated, and yes, it has been updated. Next, I will use the log command. Log command basically gives the information of the rows we have indexed here. So for this, I have used RP as my index, and RP's leave information has been shown here. Next, ilog has been used. Ilog gives the row information using numeric values, basically the row number. So we have used row number 0, which will give me the first row of the data set, which was Aman, and these are the number of leaves she has taken in the entire year. And next we can use the same method for the last one, and which was L, and this is the information about her. Next, I will be using count, and count basically gives the total number of non-null values. As we can see, we have no non-null values. I've used a count command here, and it gives 10 for each. Here I have reversed the order of the months, and I have used this command to reverse the column names. And yes, the data has been updated from December to January. Next, I will be using max command, which will give me the maximum number of leaves taken in that month, the most number of leaves. So yes, that is 9 in December, 5 in November, and so on. Similarly, we have used the min command to get the minimum number of leaves in each month, which is 0 for all. Next, I have used the median, which gives me the middle value of each column. Next, for the next step, I have used the describe command. This describe command basically gives the statistical information about our data frame. So it gives the count, mean, standard deviation, minimum, maximum values, etc. Next, I have used the info command to get the basic summary of my data, and it shows it has data type as N64, 0 to 9, basically 10 entries, and 10 non-null values in each month. Next, I have used head command, which gives me the top n rows of the data, and tail command, which gives me the bottom n rows of the data. I have used 6, so there's tail 6, so this gives me the bottom 6 rows of the data. So that's it. This was my part 1 of the assignment, and for part 2 of the assignment, I have taken existing data set, which is airline accident. Basically, it has all the information about the number of incidents and accidents taking place in a number of airlines. So I have used this data, and for that I have used info command to get the basic summary of the data. So it has 56 entries and 7 columns. Here I have used head command to get the top rows and tail command to get the bottom rows of the data. Next, I have used describe to get the statistical information about the data. So this gives me the number of entries as 56 and the maximum values for accidents, fatal accidents is 14, and so on. Now I have given the data name, so I can get the I can see the data, and this is the airline, and this gives the incidents taken place from 1985 to 1999, and this side gives the incidents taken place in year 2000 and 2014. Next, what we can see here is our data as NaN values, which is null values. So as we have to visualize this data, we need to clean it, and to clean it we have to remove the NaN values, and for that I have used fill any command, which will replace all the NaN values with 0.00. We can change it. We can change it to anything. Next, I will be seeing that if the data has been updated, and yes, NaN values have been updated to 0.00. Next, I will be using drop any command, which will remove all the columns which had a NaN value. So I've used this command, and the columns which had NaN values has been deleted. Now, as the data has been cleaned, I would like to visualize this. For that, I have used this command, and I need to import matplotlib to visualize this data and plot the graph. So I have first I have using the box graph here, and as we can see, we cannot seem to get any information from this box. And when we see the pie chart here, we similarly can't seem to get any relevant information from this data. Next, even using hex graph, we can't get any information. Similarly in the histogram. Now, finally, I would be plotting a graph between the airline and the number of fatal accidents happened from 2000 year to 2014. And for that I have used this command, and this data doesn't look good, so I will be changing something and give the rotation as 90 and change the font size, and I have changed the color, and which will give me this data set, data visualization, which gives me the airline which has the maximum number of accidents is American Airlines. So American Airlines has the most number of fatal accidents from year 2000 to 2014. And again I have visualized another one to get the fatal accidents from year 1985 to 1999. And thus I will be here we can see the most number of accidents were in airline Aeronaut, which has been really good in 2000 to 2014 as the number of accidents has been reduced. So the airline has improved. So this was my presentation. Thank you.